more positive affirmations to build confidence. These positive affirmations are an amazing tool which can transform your life beyond all recognition. They are so simple that anyone can use them. They are easy to learn how to use. And even if you don't know what they are yet, you could be using them within 5 minutes, feeling more confident, more positive, warm, and happy inside as well. I am confident. I enjoy being confident and outgoing in social situations. I am strong and powerful. My confidence commands respect and attention. I boldly go after what I want in life. I have unbreakable confidence in myself. I am outgoing and confident in social situations. I am naturally confident. I believe in myself. Confidence comes naturally to me. I always stand up for myself and my beliefs. Others are starting to notice my self-confidence. I know that I can confidently meet any challenge that comes my way. I am transforming into someone who always stands up for what they believe in. I can confidently speak my mind without hesitation. I will always meet a difficult challenge with only confident action. Others look up to me as a leader because of my confidence. I am starting to confidently assert my thoughts and opinions. My confidence is increasing every single day. I become more and more sure of myself with each passing day. I will always believe in myself and my ability to succeed. Every day, I become more confident, more powerful, and more assertive. Speaking my mind with confidence is something I just naturally do. My confidence empowers me to take action and live my life to the fullest. Liking and respecting myself is very easy for me. Whenever I see something I want, I just go for it without hesitation and with confidence. Improving my self-esteem is very important to me. Developing confidence will constantly improve my life. Feeling good about myself is normal behavior for me. Feeling confident, assured, and strong is a normal part of my everyday life. I have very high self-esteem. Having respect for myself helps others to like and respect me as well. I love and respect myself. I know I can achieve anything I set my mind to. I am a great person. I deserve to feel good about myself. I respect myself deeply. I am worthy of having high self-esteem. My thoughts and my opinions are valuable. I am transforming into someone who is happy, positive, and confident. I am confident that I can achieve anything. My confidence, self-esteem, and self-belief are increasing with each day. I know I have something special to offer the world. I will achieve whatever I put my mind to. Others like and respect me as well. I will always think positively about myself. I know I am a wonderful human being. My self-image is constantly improving day by day. I feel great about myself and my life. Each day, I believe in myself more and more. I know that I will succeed in anything I attempt. My self-esteem is growing. I know I will succeed. My efforts will help me to succeed. I give myself room to grow. I know I can make a real difference in the world. New opportunities come easily to me. I have the confidence to make the right choices for myself. I am strong in mind, body, spirit, and confidence. I have faith in all my abilities. I am confident that all my goals are achievable by me.